Hi everyone, today I'm going to revamp this space. This is my mudroom here, and I have this sad looking floral arrangement that I got at a garage sale. Yes, for $1. And sometimes I think these things just don't look that great, but really, if you give it a little attention and just give it a little bit of paint, you can really just make it a brand new, beautiful. We're going to go from ugly to refreshed and pretty in just a few seconds here. So I'm cleaning up my space. It was actually a lot messier before I made this video, but I'm starting now with just plucking out the old flowers, and it really is a nice little template kind of here for some new fresh flowers. It was quite dusty, and those red, they're just faded. These look ugly. So I'm getting rid of these, and I'm going to add a little bit of just acrylic paint, watered down acrylic paint, and I'm using this sponge brush. I use broad strokes as well as the little thinner side to give a little texture. This ceramic container, it's really a nice quality container, but it was really kind of marked up and old, so this paint is going to give it a whole new look. And then I'm adding just a little bit of paint on these grapevine branches that were in the arrangement. I like these, but there was no contrast and they were a little dusty, so the paint just gives them a whole new look. And now the fun part, I'm adding only 4 flowers. So this is really going to have, it's going to pack a lot of color in. I'm going to keep the branches really short and just use my hot glue. And these are peonies. I'm only using 2 branches here, so 2 full flowers and then 2 little buds. And look, it just, I think it gives it a whole new look, and just a whole new, it's a refreshed, brand new looking arrangement. And then I always keep the foliage, always keep the leaves, and add the leaves, because that really makes an arrangement look lush. Those older leaves from the roses were darker green, and now the lighter greens from the peony really make a nice contrast. So I'm just going to stage my area, and this makes me very happy because this is my entranceway in my mudroom where I feed the dogs. So I will add a pretty little vase, multi-use vase, for displaying those lovely milk bones. And then I'm also going to add a little touch, little pick of my little best boy Ozzy there, and ta-da, this is my end product. So I'm so happy with this. I hope this gives other people maybe an idea about how to refresh an old floral. And this is my after. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.